Hey everyone! Today, we are going to guide you through the process of determining if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. It's a quick and straightforward procedure, so let's dive right in. There are 3 methods you can use to identify if you've been blocked, and I'll walk you through each one. Firstly, open WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device and navigate to a chat with the person you suspect may have blocked you. The initial sign that you're blocked is at the top left corner. If you tap on it and see your profile icon change to a generic gray head, that's a clear indication. Additionally, if you never see them online, that's another hint. Secondly, if you send a message and only see one check mark instead of the usual 2, it means your message was sent but not delivered, suggesting you've been blocked. Lastly, create a new group chat by tapping on the plus icon, adding the person you suspect may have blocked you, and creating the group. Then, tap on the group name, scroll down to view members, and if you only see your name, it's likely because they've blocked you. Check these 3 indicators, and if they all point towards being blocked, it's probable that the other person has indeed blocked you. We hope this clarifies things for you.